Okay, today we're putting up some hardware for the doors. Call it, some people call it jewelry, knobs, whatever you like. But a lot of people get nervous about where the placement should be. So what I have here now is I marked on the door. I have a mark here and a mark here. I use my speed square to help me figure out the style, where I can line up with the one style on this side, and I mark it then in line with that and about center, which in this case is about 1 1/8 inches. So once I mark each door individually, I then take my drill, right dead center on that hole. Drill our hole. Make sure it's a nice hole there, even.